Hello everyone. Today our topic is to get the integration of signals. Now in our previous class we have discussed how to write equation of a function given, how to give the empirical formula, how to write the mathematical expression of the function, but that is in a graphical form. Okay, so suppose if I go for in that way, how can we do that? if I have if I want to get the mathematical expression of these x's, we know there are several uh, impulse function are present. So what will be the expression of this impulse function? This is at t equal to, this will be t, it is at t equal to minus 2. So I can write the weight of the function is 4. So it must be 4 where it is present. It is a delta function present at t equal to minus 2. So it must be t plus 2 plus another delta function is here. It is having a magnitude of minus 9. So weight is minus 9 and delta, it is present at t equal to plus 1. So it will be t minus 1. And another one is weight is 8 and present at t equal to 4. So it will be this. So this is the expression of this function. Now if you integrate this function fx with respect to dt, what you will find, we know if we integrate a delta, we should know that if we integrate a delta function, we will get a step function. Okay, so if we integrate a delta function, we will get a step function. Understood? So if we integrate this delta, we will get at that particular instant, we will get the step. So if I integrate this delta, I will get ut instead of delta. Okay, so the ut will be at same time. What is the time? T equal to minus 2. So ut plus 2 will be the first part. Next is, this is minus 9, and if you integrate this delta, you will make it, you can make it ut minus 1. Understood? And the third part is 8. So if you integrate this delta also, you will find ut at t equal to 4. So this will be your expression, mathematical expression of the integration of this particular fx. Now I would like to give you another time. So if I draw this, if you want to draw this, how it will look like? It will look like, suppose this is my axis. Okay, I am changing the color so that you can understand. Suppose, so as per this, we from mathematical expression we know that we can draw the we can also draw this, draw the diagram. So what this diagram, integration of f this will be integration of f t dt. Okay, so how the diagram will look like? Now there will be step function. So the first magnitude is 4 and it is at t equal to minus 2. So suppose this is my minus 2. So the magnitude is 4 here. So this magnitude will be 4 here. Okay. Now this will be 4 up to t equal to minus 1. Suppose this is my t equal to plus 1. This, so this will be uh, 4 up to this. Okay, next is, what is coming here? Here I am getting the magnitude of the ut is becoming minus 9. So that means what will be here, it is 4. So the minus 1, how it will be minus 9? Obviously it will come down here, 4 come here, and another 5 I need. So this will be total minus 9. Okay, now this will be minus 9 up to which value? It will be up to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 4. So up to 4. Now at 4 it is becoming 8. So 8 means this value was 4. So for minus 9 this value must be minus 5. This minus 5. So this magnitude is basically 5. in the negative direction. So if I want to make it 8, how to go upward? Now we can go, this part will be 5 and I want only 3. 1 2 3, so this will be 3, this part will be 3. So this is the integration of this signal. Now if there is any confusion, I can also able to make this by 3 diagrams, diagram 1, diagram 2 and diagram 3. So first I am doing the diagram of this. The resultant will be this. Look how I am doing. First thing, suppose what is this function? This function 4ut will look like this. I am taking another color. 4ut plus 2. So it will be from -2. This value will be 4. So this will be the, what is 4? This will be 4ut plus 2. Okay. Now suppose I want to draw the second one. Second one means this. So this will be -9 ut minus 1. So that means it will start at 1 and here magnitude will be -9. So this value is -9 here. So if you draw this, it will be -9 ut minus 1. Okay. This is the second part, and now I am going to draw the third part. So the third part is here, it is at t equal to 4. So if it is 0, this is 1 2 3 4. It will start from t equal to 4, and what is the value? It is 8u. So this will be, suppose, 8. Okay, suppose this is 8. So this is my 8ut minus 4. Now if they are basically in a algebraic summation. So if I make the algebraic summation, how it will look like? Now I want to draw the algebraic summation. Okay, I want to draw the algebraic summation of these three. So what is going to happen now? First is, it will start from this. So this algebraic summation will start from -2. So what is -2? At -2 it is 4ut plus 2. Now at point 1 will be the second point of algebraic summation. So here this is my +1. So up to +1 it will be 4 magnitude. This step will be of 4 magnitude. Understood? Next, what will going to happen? Just look at this point. This is +4. This step is +4 and this step is -9. So what is the resultant? The resultant is basically -5 in the lower direction. So from here up to this it was 4, and then I will get, after this point I will get, it will be -5. I am getting this will be -5 here. Okay, how far it will be -5? It will be -5 up to this 4, because there was no additional signal present within this. Now at point 4 the third signal come. The third signal is what? The third signal is now 8ut minus 4. So it is, the magnitude is 8. So what is the signal now going? This signal is basically 5. 5 in the negative direction. So how to make it 8? This 5 will come up, and again along with that, if you think this signal and this signal, if you just make the addition, what you get along with these two signal, you will find that this signal will come up with. Now what is going to happen? Not only 2, 3 signals. What are the 3 signals? One signal is 4 at this 4. Okay, just consider at 4 you are getting plus 4 over here, minus 9 here, and plus 8 here. So what is the total? One is plus 4, then minus 9 plus 8. So it will be 12 minus 9. So what is the total value? It will be 3 now. So the magnitude from 4 onwards will be nothing but positive 3. So you just look what I have write from this expression is basically same if I divide and take all the parts of the expressions, and I will get the same result. Understood? Understood? So if you are going to, if you want to do this, first you have to this is one method of doing integration. How we do integration? Now we write the mathematical expression and then we integrate the function, and after that we can draw it. And if you draw it this direction, you will draw it this in this way when the concepts are all clear. So there will be no problem. If you have a problem initially, you can do that, and after clearing your concept you can directly do this. Another can be we can draw it directly by not writing the equation. I will let you know it later. So I think this concept you understood. So thank you.